शेरपा here, bringing you the updates of slot 1. बॉस स्लॉट 1 में तो इस बार गेम बहुत पलट दिया है. 2023 का जो लेवल था उस लेवल से काफी ज्यादा इजी क्वेश्चंस आए हैं. ठीक है. All the people that I was able to speak to at a couple of centers were very honest about their reaction. The idea was simple that 2023 का जो क्वांट का पेपर था उसके मुकाबले द लेवल वाज much easier. The questions were much more direct. In fact, one of the questions surprisingly was that if you remove 1/3 of the milk every time, 2/3 of the water from a milk every time, and you do this 4 times, how much would be the milk concentration, which is basically 1/3 to the power 4. So these are the kind of questions that have come. Even the arithmetic questions were very, very straightforward. None of the arithmetic questions, I've been told, were where you had to apply 2 concepts. It was mostly a 1 concept question for most of the arithmetic questions. Another thing that you need to understand is in DILR, this is the most important thing, 22 questions. And these 22 questions basically had 5 sets, 2 sets of 5 questions each, and 3 sets of questions each. The DILR section was much more quant based than the last time. It was most logical based, LR based last time, but this time it was mostly DI based. There were 3 sets which were basically about calculation. There was a candlestick case where you had to calculate the number of stocks which would have risen in prices and stuff like that, or calculate whether a stock was going up or down, and there was some formula given. Basic manipulation of numbers. You just had to understand what the graph was. The stock market traders would have been actually pretty happy. And most importantly, there were one more election oriented set where there was some voting patterns given. You just had to manipulate numbers. These 2 were on the easier side. There was another set which had to do where 6 people were sharing stars with other 4 people, and some basic information was given in graphs. There were at least 3 sets where a basic graph was given. One of the sets which was based on countries, etc., is being reported as being very, very difficult, in the sense that a lot of people have said that there was some partial information given, and somehow people have felt and have told me that that information was not complete. But I cannot assure you of that. But the main sense of the DILR section is that this has been much more quantitative based this time, and more importantly, graphs were given for at least 3 of the 5 sets. At least 3 of the 5 sets. So that is the whole and soul of DILR. With regards to VRC, the VRC section was actually much more on the easier side, and there were very few tough words asked and stuff like that. There were a filling the blank questions. There was an out one out question. There were a few summary questions. I think there were not a lot of parajumper questions, but I cannot assure you of that. But as far as my my interactions with the students go here, even the 4 passages that had come, at least 3 of them were on the easier side. And by easier side, I don't mean they were lappas, but they weren't as contorted as they have been in the past as well. So this has been more or less the gist of it. So everybody who is watching this and is thinking about the slot 2, what you need to be prepared for is कि क्वांट में बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जगह सबसे पहले अपने अर्थमेटिक या जो भी क्वेश्चन उनको सिलेक्ट कीजिए एंड दन स्टार्ट कीजिए. यू हैव टू बी लाइक अ शूटर. मशीन गन चलानी है उसमें, और उसमें बिल्कुल ये नहीं करना है आपको कि आप बैठ के डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट है इजी है. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ठीक है. Allow me to see if I can bring a couple of people online. Hello. On the black paper. हाँ, Aziz guys to take it away ना. Sorry, I was great. अच्छा, तो ये बंद कर दिया क्या लाइव आपने? कर दिया ना, क्लोज कर दिया.